The sleeve is part of your recip saw's blade clamp assembly. It fits over the blade shaft, and the other parts of the clamp slide over it. Over time, the sleeve can wear from the other components sliding against it. The end could be chipped by the material you're cutting or by accidentally dropping the saw. Replacing the sleeve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. There's a sticker on the housing that you'll need to slice with a knife. Next, I'll remove the clip inside the battery location that holds the two halves together. I'll use a pick to pry the clip up and pull it away from the housing. With the clip removed, now I can separate the two halves of the housing. Now I'll lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing and remove the two screws that connect the motor to the gearbox. With the screws removed, I can separate the motor. Now remove the shoe. Now I can remove the retaining ring from the front of the clamp. It's a split style retaining ring, so I'll use a pick to lift the retaining ring away from the groove. Once I have the pick between the layers of the retaining ring, I'll rotate it around, which will wind the retaining ring off of the spindle. Now I can remove the front cam. Now I'll rotate the cam collar, which will allow me to remove the pin. Now I can remove the cam collar, the sleeve. Now I can install the new sleeve. I'll install the sleeve so the hole in the sleeve is on the same side of the shaft as the hole in the shaft. Now I can install the cam collar. It's installed with the flat side down, and again I align it with the torsion spring. Now I need to pull the sleeve up, aligning the hole in the sleeve with the hole in the shaft. I'll rotate the cam collar back and hold it in place so I can install the pin. And now I can install the pin. With the pin reinstalled, now I can install the front cam. You'll notice two tabs on the front cam. I need to align those tabs with the notches on the cam collar. Once everything's back in place, I'll secure it with the retaining ring. Now reconnect the gearbox to the motor and secure it with the screws. Next, I'll reinstall the shoe. And now I can place the motor assembly back into the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. I'll secure the housing with the screws. The three short screws go in the rear of the housing. The screws are very small, so you want to be careful that you don't strip them out. And last, I'll secure the rear of the housing with the metal clip. And that's how you can install a new sleeve in your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up